Commercial building, doesn't matter whether it's commercial or residential. What is the water test PSI? Tony Levanti?
125.
125. Very good. 125 PSI. Was there any time restraints or constraints regarding the 125?
I believe it was 10 minutes or 15 minutes.
Here's what I'll give you. The drainage, waste, and vent system test is 15 minutes. But think about this. 125 PSI is 125 PSI. If your piping system doesn't hold 125 PSI for any amount of time, you don't need to hang around for 10 or 15 minutes. 125 PSI period. There is no time constraints. If you relook at that piece, none, zero. But it's really only 125 PSI. Just trying to get people to do 125 PSI is a problem.